Hello class, I'm going to go over exercise 12-15 located on pages 567 and 568. This is a company that is responsible for producing a bilge pump product line, and they've been suffering losses. As you see at the bottom of page 567, there was a net operating loss of $80,000 during the quarter ending March 31st. So the question deals with whether the product line should be retained or continued or dropped or discontinued. And you see information right here that kind of refers to the keep or drop decision that's going to be made. One approach to evaluating these decisions is what's called the contribution margin format, which I've highlighted. And what you do there is you'll begin with the contribution margin that is lost if the product line will be dropped. So you can see on page 567 that there is a contribution margin of $560,000 that will be lost if the product line is discontinued. There are also an accounting for fixed cost that can be avoided if the product line is discontinued. So we would have advertising, the salary of the product line manager, and insurance on inventories. In the aggregate, that adds up to $310,000. The net disadvantage of dropping the product line would ultimately be a difference of $150,000. If you look at another approach, which is the comparative income statement approach, what you're doing is setting up an income statement with all the fields that you see listed here that I'm highlighting. You'll set up a column for keeping or retaining the product line and then dropping the product line. Over here on the far right, you will calculate the difference in net operating income, either an increase or decrease. And it shows at the end that there will be a net operating loss of $150,000 if that product line is dropped, which means that we should retain the product line because we're only going to lose $80,000 versus $230,000 for a difference of $150,000. Thank you very much, class, and if you have any questions about this exercise, let me know.